Welcome back to the Shakey's V-League. First set numbers and nanakuha ng Ateneo laban sa Baste.
That's right. Kitang-kita natin, ano, lamang itong Ateneo pagdating sa atake, dead blockings, pantay lang sa service aces. But you know, if you look at the numbers right now, Coach Ronnie, itong errors talaga, itong tumulong sa San Sebastian to get those points. But if you were Ateneo, ito rin ang kailangan mong tignan, ano, kung gaano karaming puntos ang naibigay mo sa kalaban.
Sobrang daming regalong puntos ang dog ng Ateneo sa Baste para makadikit at magkaroon ng bahagyang challenge para sa Lady Eagles. Coach Ty Bundit for Ateneo, Coach Clint Malazo para naman dito sa kupunan ng San Sebastian in lieu of Coach Roger Gurayev. And so far, yung offense ng Ateneo doing wonders for them. Pero yung reception nila sa kanilang service reception ay nagkukulang din, Ann.
That's right. Nakita natin yung mga lapses ng Ateneo, no? Especially in that first set. Meanwhile, ang mga taong inaasahan nating mag-produce ng numbers like Maraguinot scored 5 points already in the first set. Sinundan ni Gikeliana with 3. Ang San Sebastian have yet to really get Labiana, for example, to score those points. Ngayon, Labiano's only scored 2 points.
Take that 3 on that nice push. San Sebastian kanina had a very poor start doon sa ating unang set wherein they fell behind by 8-3 right away. Nice looking serve para dito sa Baste. Make that 2-0 para dito sa San Sebastian. Maraguinot with an attack error. Coach Ty Bundit reminding the rest of his team sa kanilang formation, sa kanilang pag-receive. San Sebastian. Floater of a serve for Baste. Iseltan looking for Maraguinot. Dalisay, cross-court set for Labiano. Double blockers were there. Tan with another quick. Oops, going cross-court. Maraguinot reading that ball well. Unang puntos para sa Lady Eagles dito sa ating unang set. Odaya Gondek to serve. If it's Fan Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Sato now in for
Risa Sato. Oo. Also played dun sa ating under-23 competition. Oh, nice push. Nililihis na nila sa mga blockers, no? Alam nila, markado, ang lalaki ng mga defenders dito para sa Lady Eagles. 3-1 for San Sebastian. Villegas. Catherine Villegas for the Lady Stags. Good reception coming from La Vitoria. Tan. Keeping that ball alive. Sato with a free ball. Guillema. Combination play. Good anticipation by La Vitoria. Bea De Leon. Probably at least 6-1 ito.
Yeah.
No?
Ito, lamang na lamang sa height pa lang eh. No? Hindi pa yun full jump.
Maski naman itong si Risa Sato, hindi naman kaliitan. 1-on-1 at the net. Ateneo scores. Ateneo, 2 points. San Sebastian with 3. 2 serving 3. Second set. Way too long for Giselle Tan.
This is when you waste those points.
At matutuwa ka rin dahil in the course of the last decade, yung fan base na nabuo dito sa Shakey's V-League. Kanina, pinag-uusapan natin yan. Dati giniginaw tayo dito.
Ngayon,
naiinitan na tayo. Hindi lang aksyon ng mainit, kundi sa dami ng nanunood at sumusubaybay sa kanilang mga telebisyon.
At ang maganda pa niyan, ano, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas. You'll find people tweeting from all over the world. Talagang sinusubaybayan nila itong Shakey's V-League.
And also, we have a national pool that we can support at nasumali na rin doon sa nakalipas na Southeast Asian Games. Good serve by Maraguinot. Free ball given up by Labiano. Isa Sato. Para nagka-bull-bull sila ron ni Giselle Tan, pero mas nabuhol yung floor defense ng San Sebastian. San Sebastian 2-point lead earlier, 3-1. Ngayon 4-all talaan dito sa second set. Ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as $9.99. Mamaya may papakita kami sa inyo ni Ann sa tabi ng bench ng Ateneo. Ito yung nakapatch na mata na kinukwento mo.
Ayan, oo.
Ayan, no? Nakapatch. Pero, tinitignan ko sila Eliza Valdez, sila Pauline Gaston,
Masaya
Amy
naman sila.
Ahumiro. Gusto ko yung final leg kick eh.
Oo, eh.
Oh, this ultra fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Ultra fast LTE.
Yan ang masayang team, di ba? Ano naman yung Ateneo
Nakakatuwa.
Shield.
Oh, oops. Santa Rita blocked.
Maybe later, pwede mag-report si Trish
Oo.
about the condition of itong si Ella De Jesus. She's here now.
Correct.
So,
Ito,
ayan.
ito,
Yan
ito.
ang cheating squad. O, di ba?
Yung dulo.
May choreography.
5, 6, 7.
Coach Ronnie, mamaya nga, subukan mo.
Pass. Iseset ko sa yan. Ikaw na ang tumapos. Oo. Dito lang tayo. Dito lang.
Parang saya nung ginagawa nila eh. They
Ay.
look like they're enjoying.
Magandang panuorin. Mahirap gawin. Guillermo setting up. San Sebastian scoring once again. San Sebastian tying. Or rather, San Sebastian still behind by 1. Coach Ty Bundit unhappy dun sa huling sequence na yon. Ateneo 6. San Sebastian 5. Vira Guillermo. A setter of Baste serving. La Victoria receiving.
Oh, look at that. On top of the blocker, itong si De Leon.
Magandang timing nito, no?
Again, paulit-ulit na sasabihan, Coach Ronnie, importante kapag center spiker ka talaga, timing.
Coordination.
Oo.
Hindi enough na matangkad ka. Kailangan, hand-eye coordination, yung tamang talon, tamang wind-up. Oh, nice ace. Para kay Bea De Leon. Akala ko tapos na yung laro. Pero hindi po. First technical timeout pa lang. 8-5 para sa Ateneo. So GMA News TV for your Shakey's V-League action. Trisha, what do you have for us?
Alam niyo guys, kanina sa huddle ng Baste, nanguna itong si Kapitana Gretchen Soltones sa pagpe-pep talk sa kanyang teammates. Now, she kept telling the girls na pagdating sa court, wala namang matanda. Kaya wala, dapat ikatakot. So we have to shake off the jitters. And when you actually look at the Lady Eagles rotation, halos mga bata talaga ang pinalalaro ni na Coach Parley at Coach Ty. Dahil ang philosophy nga nila ay you have to adjust and you have to make do with what you have. Stats assistant Coach Quint wants his girls to adapt the same mindset dahil hindi raw excuse ang pagiging baguhan. Sabi niya rin, stop acting so tense. When you think too much, mas hindi kayo makakagalaw at mas mag-error kayo.
Tama yan. Eh ako nag-error kanina. Napagpalit ko si Coach Clint at si Coach Parley. Tama ka, Trisha. Wala lang si Gretzel sa likod ko, pero nandito naman si teammate Ann. Thank you, Trisha. Labiano. The Lady Stags will give up this chance ball. Pagkakataon na naman para sa Ateneo. Gekiliana. Nails that point for the Lady Eagles. Nagkakaproblema yung transition ng Lady Stags.
Oo, no, hindi ganun kabilis. Something, even the blocking.
This ultra fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family.
Ang importante dito, Coach Ronnie, yung blocking ng San Sebastian, masabayan nila ang opensa ng Ateneo.
Oh, lumalayo-layo. Itong Ateneo kung kanina dumidikit-dikit at lamang pa ang Baste. San Sebastian looking to fight back. Tan once again. To Gekiliana. Alam mo, may kaibahan talaga si Gia Morado at itong si Giselle Tan. Giselle Tan may be shorter, pero yung quickness niya, no? Bouncy maglaro. Of course, Gia Morado, international campaigner, national player, decorated already. But Giselle Tan has acquitted herself really well. Mula dun sa first game hanggang dito sa kanilang pangalawang laro. Axel is the official outfielder ng ating Shakey's V-League. Bumabalasa si Coach Clint Malazzo dahil naghahanap siya ng mas stable na mga naglalaro sa loob. At si Gretzel Soltones kung kanina nagpapaalala ngayon, sumama na rito sa sabak ng San Sebastian.
Importante ang first ball ngayon para sa San Sebastian.
Makita mo rin yung evolution ng laro ni Gretzel Soltones.
Oo.
Number 1 scorer natin niya sa Shakey's V-League.
Oo. At yan, nung unang pasok pa lang niya when she was still a rookie, talagang nakitaan na ng talento.
Kasabay niya rin si Boali di ba?
Grabe.
Grabe pumalo yung dalawang yan. Parang may kanyon, kaliwat kanan. Right now, San Sebastian once again stranded at 5 points. And somehow makikita mo, kulang ang bala sa opensa para sa Baste dahil libero na nga ang nilalaro nitong si Gretzel Soltones.
I'm sure a lot of the San Sebastian fans are really hoping na talagang makarecover na itong si Soltones so that she can suit up again as one of the offensive players nitong San Sebastian.
Of course, being a libero means yung formation, rather yung gagamitin mo mga muscles ay iba.
Oo.
Kaysa sa aatake ka.
Not too much force.
Oo, at hindi ka papalo. San Sebastian serving. Joy Santarita commits that service error at pag ikaw ay down ng set at behind ang 7 points, yung margin for error mo, gakuko. Mahaba ba kuko mo?
Maiksi yan.
Maiksi lang, tama.
Short.
May baby ka.
Oo,
Dapat maiksi.
Short. At saka pag nagva-volleyball, sanay na ako short dapat.
Short. Oops. Good save by Risa Sato. Lady Stags with a good transition. Tan. Oops, medyo mababa.
That was too low. Pero ang maganda dito, itong si Tan has the confidence to really experiment and gamble. Oo.
Kitang-kita mo, talagang she's in full control. If it's family and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Thin crust, pepperoni. Sarap.
Hinintay ko.
Sama mo na root beer. Yan.
Hinintay ko yun.
Diba? Oh. 14 for the Lady Eagles, 7 for San Sebastian. And we were talking about the fact that this is the 4th play date ng ating Shakey's V-League. We will have a total of 30 games in the preliminary round that will be divided into 10 play dates. We have a total of 12 teams divided into 2 groups. San Sebastian naghahabol pa rin.